Before you can get started with Power BI, let's make sure you have it downloaded on your computer. Launch the Start menu from your desktop and open the Microsoft Store. Click Search near the top right corner of the screen. Type Power BI and hit Enter. We want the Power BI mobile app. Click the Install button. You may be prompted to sign in using a Microsoft account, but you can just exit out of that window to proceed with the download. Next, we want to launch the Start menu and open Power BI by finding the Microsoft Power BI icon. Once you open the app, you can skip through this to get to the login page. We're going to click Start Exploring. We're going to click Get Started and connect to Power BI. If you see your account name, go ahead and click Continue. If not, you can sign in with your organizational account here. And we are logged in to Power BI. Once you are logged in, you can see the apps that your account has been given access to. We're going to open the MGI Sales Analysis Reports app and check out how to navigate through Power BI and how to take advantage of some of the great features it has. These are the dashboards and reports available for you to view in Power BI. This will look different for you depending on your account and the access you have been granted. For the sake of this video, we will be looking at this first report titled All Morris Group Sales Report 2019. All means that the data in this report reflects all the MGI divisions from Acorn Controls to Whitehall Rehab. When we click the report, we see the cover page, which is titled Summary. This page is an overview of what is going on with MGI sales in the current year and has some metrics at the top for this month and last month. The tabs at the bottom of the page represent each individual page in the report. Simply click on a tab and use the arrows here to navigate through all the reports. You might see this YTD a lot when going through the pages of sales reports. Let's go to the sales overview page. YTD stands for year to date, which is a period starting from the beginning of the current year and continuing up to the present day. If you see 2018 year-to-date sales, then we are talking about last year's sales from January 1 to today's month and day of 2018. 2018 total sales refers to the total overall sales from 2018. The year-to-date sales and total sales of the current year will always be the same. If you see this green toggle button on a page in this report, you can click it to switch between year-to-date sales or quantity and net sales or quantity depending on the page. Next, we are going to look at how to utilize filters using this filter pane on the right side of the page. There is one of these located in the same spot on every page. It may be showing when you open the report. If not, you can just click this area of the filter pane and it will appear. Filters can be applied to the entire report, meaning all pages, a single page, or an individual tile or visual within a page. Filters set conditions so that only certain data is displayed. It is done to make it easier to focus on specific information in a large data set. The filters available for use are determined by the creator of the report. We are going to look at the order entry by customer service page to see how these filters work. You can filter this report by channel, sales group type, sales organization, sold to type, month, or year. Click the down arrow to expand the filter selection. You can apply multiple filters at once. You can see how the contents of the page change once we apply a filter. The filter or filters will remain active until you clear or uncheck the applied filters. Even if you close the app, the filters will remain active, so keep that in mind. Keeping the filters active may be useful if you are looking for certain information every time. You can clear a filter by clicking the pencil eraser icon in the corner of each filter card. There are filters that can be applied just by checking the field box. Additionally, you might run into some visual level filters which can be viewed simply by clicking on a visual that allow you to enter a range of values. These are available with numerical fields such as quantity and currency. Here, on the total sales doc enter tile, we are going to filter this visual to show customer service reps who have entered less than 10,000 sales docs. You can see how the visual level filters appear when we click the tile. Click the down arrow here to expand the selection. We want to show items when the value is less than 10,000. As you can see by clicking here, there are several ways we can filter this data. Click Apply Filter, and you can see how the tile shows customer service reps with the sales document count less than 10,000. Another form of a filter can be seen on the All Open Orders page. Instead of checking a box through a drop-down menu, we can type the text of what we are looking for in one of these search boxes. We are going to type Granger in this Sold To search box and hit enter. You can see that the page now includes data with Granger in the Sold To account name. Remember to clear the filter by clicking the eraser next to the search field. Another form of filtering occurs when you click on an object in a tile such as a pie chart, state on a map, or a cell within a table. Once you click an object, the contents of the page change to reflect the selected object. Let's go to the Sold To overview page to see an example of this. This map of the United States that shows net sales by state. If we click on California, we can see the accounts in the table here that show year-to-date sales data only contains accounts that are located in California. You can remove that filter by clicking the object again.